Who is us?
Me, Easton, and everyone knows Candace Ballard or Swerve RV, whatever y'all want to call
Ballard
her.
C10 of Shop Rat's Garage. So we have been piddling away with Mr.
Hank.
He's a
Hank the Tank.
1986 Chevrolet Silverado C30 3500, whatever you want to call them. You can even call them yours one day, because we are restoring them, right?
Yeah, and gonna sell them.
Easton has been working on the interior for me. Tell him what you did.
I took out a lot of trash from in there. I cleaned up some of the seats, and I took apart some of the back pieces for the tailgate.
Hold on, I'll show them some of the pieces you removed. You stay right there.
Some trim pieces.
Yep, he's done took out all the trim pieces himself. We're going to get all these back shining. I have been scraping away at all the old nasty window tints. So all the window tint is officially gone.
And then after that, we're going to try to fix this Bondo. They did horrible.
Horrible.
It's bad.
But we'll fix that. But now, since we got all the window tint removed, what are we? And you got all the trim pieces and bolts out.
Yeah. We're going to have to take the seats out, and then we're going to rip the carpet up.
Yep.
And you better not do that when I'm not here, because I want to do it.
That's why I asked if you want to get in on this video to do an update, because that's the next step.
Yeah.
Boys and girls, ladies and gents, it is now time to start ripping out the interior.
Yeah, and we might be doing a black interior, because I think that's what we might be doing, right?
Well, I guess they just have to stay tuned, right?
Yeah, I guess we might.
Never know.
Y'all don't know, yeah.
Never know what we might pull out of our hat. Never
Yeah.
know what we might go on a long road trip and get.
Yeah. Yeah, next thing we need to do is get the other fender too.
Right.
The other.
A donor fender.
If you haven't seen the fender, it's in bad shape.
I think we should probably show them, right?
Yeah, I think they should see this is the fender go. So the guy that used to own it said that he had a tire blowout, and he told us that it wasn't too bad, it was just a few cracks. Okay, does this look like a few cracks, okay? This does not look like a few cracks.
Uh-oh, Keaton, he's calling you out.
This does not look like a few cracks, okay? But I don't really, we're just gonna replace it probably and try to like get the paint all right.
Yeah, we got paint match, don't we?
Yeah, we have
Good
to paint
thing there's no
match.
stripes on that fender.
Yeah, but yeah, the interior ain't too good. It's like the seat ain't bad, but you see we have to fix that piece. Then we have to do the top. That's bad, isn't it?
That's bad.
And then Mom got all the windows done, which took 10 years, as you could say.
Literally.
Yeah, literally.
Literally. Yes, sir. Easton's working on taking off all the trim pieces, headliner pieces, anything he can get to, so we can get all this interior yanked out.
So we have these magnetic wristbands, and it's Wizsla. I don't know how to say this, but I wasn't. So I just got this because I needed to keep like these bolts on my hand. So I'm going to test these out to see how good they are. They go on your wrist. So let's see. So I guess it's on like this. I don't know how you. I do know how you strap it on, but Velcro's a pain in the butt. My arm might be too small.
You put it on that bicep or your leg. Wherever.
Yeah, I guess I'm gonna try to put it on my leg.
Have you put it on your bicep?
I'm gonna put it on my leg. It's a better spot. It's a lot thicker than my arm is. So I put this bolt and did It works.
Let's see that leg. I'll come around there.
Okay. So it has these magnetic things underneath, like the
It
Velcro
works.
or whatever. I don't know what you want to call this. And it has, I think, 3 of these pads. Pretty good, I think.
Oh, jeez.
So,
And he's also using the magnetic tray from Harbor Freight.
Yep, you can go get it, and it actually works pretty well. I've been using it for a while, so y'all can go to Harbor Freight and get one of those, and it's super good. I guess it's about end of the video, y'all.
Hey, what is that? What's in the engine bay? What kind of power plant this old guy got?
We got a big block. I forgot what type of big block it is.
454 big block.
Yeah.
And it has, this was one of the special editions. Do you remember what kind?
The camper.
Camper Special.
Or you used to call it the choo-choo.
Camper Special with the Choo Choo Customs, which was originally based out of Knoxville, Tennessee. Unfortunately, they went bankrupt over the years, but a lot of sought-after interior options that Choo Choo Customs used to do is like plush recliner seats and fabulous headliners and everything. But of course, all of that has been ruined in this truck. Thankfully for us, that's how we were able to acquire it, right?
Yeah, if everything was pretty good, this truck would probably be around $20,000, and we couldn't afford it at all.
Exactly, because we're building on a budget, broke budget.
And also, we couldn't afford it in the first place because that day we got KFC, so we didn't have $20,000 left. Okay.
And y'all know how much KFC be costing.
Yeah.
But that chicken be busting.
Yeah, it was pretty good.
But thanks for tuning in. Y'all stay tuned for another update. Bye, guys.
Bye. See you later. So, bye y'all. See you on another video.